Welcome to the WinStar 4 General Overview. Here we will cover the basic features of the new program. In this general overview, we will start on the classic side of the software, because these features are available to everyone regardless of what level of WinStar 4 you purchased. Starting on the left-hand side, you have the large WinStar logo at the top. Next to this logo are the three sides of the program: Extended, Classic, or Data. Below that, you have the current date, current place selections, the new button for new chart, and the print button. Below this, you have the 4 chart slots. The largest one is the primary or natal chart slot, and each one of these, if you click them, you'll get more information about what's been calculated for that particular chart slot. Below this, you have the chart forms area. In the white area here, you have the different chart forms that have been added to a particular person, and you can switch between those. Above that, you have the add form, delete form, the bi-wheel shortcut button, and the zoom buttons. You have size to the wheel, size to the width of your display, which is handy if you've got a widescreen monitor, and then you've got the size to height, which allows you to see the entire chart form. Below that, you have the charts area. You have the another new chart button. You have the search button. You can search by a person's name. You have the select folder button. You can move charts to folders, etc. Also, the chart folders themselves have been updated from WinStar version 2. You can now move people between folders. You can rearrange the folders into whatever order you'd like. You can rename a folder, and you can also delete a folder. Also, if you right-click on a particular person, you can do things such as edit the chart notes, so that you can then put in information about a particular person's chart while you're looking at it. I will now go over the tech bar, which is this menu here on the right. It is updated from WinStar version 2. By clicking on the name of the menu you are in, you now have a quick jump to a particular menu, such as the Synastry menu. All of the options and capabilities in the old WinStar 2 that were in the old tech bar are replicated in the new one. The two biggest changes is now that Searches is a separate application, and WinMaps is now Horizons, which is also a separate application. Horizons and Searches can be accessed from the Extras pull-down menu here, as well as from the tech bar on the right. The home menu provides quick jumps to a variety of various things, such as the progress menu during returns. You also have the positions window, which can be very helpful when you need additional information about a particular chart. This includes right ascension and declination information. The options that are in here are chart transformations, which includes Geodetic and Geodetic charts. Progress charts, including transits, directions, and lunations. Return charts, including point returns and user angle returns. Synastry, including synastry grids, composites, etc. Bi-tri-wheels, synastry grids, etc. Here's the searches menu. These are now quick jumps to various searches in the Matrix Search. Chart wheels such as house wheels, 360-degree wheels, Euro wheels, geocentric, etc. And the WinStar Extras, where you have access to the day scan, to the quick jump to WinMaps. There's the day scan, and then the 4 buttons for the quick wheel. The quick wheel is used as an external application to WinStar. There's a 90-degree dial in it. There's a rectification tool. and an astro clock. And all of these tools can be accessed from the menu here on the right. So if you run Quick Wheel without first running WinStar, you can then do things such as switching backwards and forwards between the astro clock, the 90-degree dial, a local space wheel, etc. Now I will cover the chart database window. The browse chart database window can be accessed from this icon here or from the file pull down menu. The chart database can be used for a variety of different functions, such as moving people between databases, rearranging folders. You can search for various people, people born in a particular year. You can sort them by folders, the people by date, etc. The biggest function that is used is the search function, which is used for data mining. You can select people based upon whether they've got their sun in the third house, etc. Or you can also graph your results or even the entire chart database. In this case, we are looking at all of the planets in signs. For instance, this will show you that of everybody you've got in your chart database, which sign has the most planets in it. In this case, you can see that Libra has the most planets based on from everybody that's in your chart database. Right after that, you have Leo. This concludes the WinStar 4 general overview